If you haven't heard, HabitTrade has just launched a Combo VS campaign which allows you to win up to $10,000 worth of prizes. The Combo VS giveaway is a predict to earn campaign, and by predicting the right combo, it will give you a chance to win some US dollars, which can be used to purchase more stocks, which can then grow your passive income stream. And if you haven't downloaded HabitTrade, I've left links in the description down below, and by using my link, you are ensuring that you end up on the right page, because right now there are many scams going on which are out there to grab your money. And once you have downloaded and signed up with HabitTrade, you'll see that the first page will show you the watch list. So I'm using an iPhone, but I think the Android version will be very similar as well. So what we want to do here is to click on the top banner that says Combo VS with the word open. And by clicking on it, it will bring you to a new page, and the prize pool is currently growing. And as of time of recording, the prize pool right now is $10,004.60. And you must be wondering why is this growing, and we'll get to that very shortly. So if you scroll down, you see that there is two predictions that we can go for. The first one is Combo A, which is a featured new energy, and Combo B, which is the petroleum giant. So if you didn't know, HabitTrade do have combo stocks that are curated and grouped into combos for you to choose from. And to see these stocks, all you have to do is to navigate to the Discover tab, and from there you're able to see the various combos that HabitTrade has. To start voting for a prediction, you need HabitTrade Credits, which cannot be purchased or bought, but you have to earn them. And there are quite a few ways you can earn it. And the first way is to check in daily, which gives you some credit every single day. And over here, by tapping on Get Credits, you're able to see all the different tasks available. There are also special tasks that you can take on, like completing your account opening, doing your first deposit, setting up an avatar, and setting a nickname. And by completing these tasks, you're essentially getting free money from HabitTrade. But if you're trading or if you are a trader, every $5 worth of trades will give you 1 credit, but the minimum order value has to be 20 USD. And if you're a trader, this can be some way to get additional money as well. So once you got your credit, we are going to do a vote today. And we can only vote once a day from the 4th of June, which is today, until the 8th of June, which is next Wednesday. And after which, from the 8th to the 10th of June, it will be a battling period to see which combo gets the highest cumulative views from the 8th to the 10th of June. So to vote, we need a minimum of 10 credits to do a vote, and every 50 credits will increase the prize pool by $1. So now you see that if we work as a collective and we all start voting, we will increase the prize pool, which can give us additional rewards if we win. So right now I'm going to do my vote, and I'll be voting for the petroleum giant because there was some pretty bad news with Tesla and the EV firms. But one of the reasons I'm voting for the petroleum giant is because I don't have any positions in this company, and in this way I am hedging my bets. So the guys at HabitTrade already have a table that depicts the odds of us winning or losing. So in this table, if we own Tesla for example, and we voted for the petrol giants, and the price of Tesla goes up, which brings up the new energy combo going up. So what happened here is we'll win by owning Tesla shares because of the price appreciation, but we lose on the Combo VS event. But if the price of Tesla shares drops, and we lose on the shareholding, but we'll win on the Combo VS. So on the other side of the coin, if let's say we own Tesla shares, and we voted for the new energy combo, and if Tesla prices move upwards, we win both in the stock holdings as well as the Combo VS. The last combination is when we own Tesla shares and we vote for the new energy combo, and the prices of that combo goes down, which means that we lose on both sides of the coin. And mathematically, we have a 25% chance of losing 100%, but remember that HabitTrade credits are free of charge. You don't have to trade to earn them if you don't want to. It's fine, you can earn them by logging in and doing simple tasks. So I'm placing my votes with the petroleum giants for today, and you don't have to follow me because I'm just a random guy on the internet, but we'll check in again tomorrow to take a look at the voting and probably do some hedging to give us the best possible chance of winning. And technically, we can split our points equally to both sides to get a 100% win rate with a lower win rewards, but come Monday when the market opens again, we can have a better look at how things will go. So I do hope that you guys join the event because it's free of charge with no cost at all. And I'll greatly appreciate if you could drop a like on this video, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one.